for dinner tonight. We are trying out an Ikea frozen food. I was at Ikea on Monday and I picked up meatballs. So we're gonna try Ikea meatballs. Okay. I'll get some scissors. And I got the crock pot all ready to go. I'm just gonna throw these in. And Billy wants out, hold on. Okay. Fall down. Okay. Those meatballs we're using is just their fully cooked beef and pork ones. I'm just going to throw in the entire package because, yeah. Now these do say that you can cook them in the oven, but we're actually just going to throw them in the crock pot. And we're going to do it for, start at high, I think. Yeah, I have to go high. The one thing with this crock pot is you never know what's actually on. So. Okay, I think it's on high. I think. I don't know. But we'll come back for dinner this time. Before I go back to work, we've come to check on the meatballs.
I don't love you that much.
Not bad.
Your sauce.
I didn't put sauce on them, so I'm not sure how they came.
Should have got some Alfredo sauce in the fridge and heat it up.
Excuse me. Bed. Yeah, bed. Go on in your bed. You're so close to it. Go in your bed, buddy.
So Dad says he had a sauce to it, otherwise it's fine.
Oh, baby. Where's the big baby?
What do you think for your first bite?
Okay.
We just need Jen. Other than it needs sauce, what's your rating?
5.
Not a fan?
Meatball flavor. The meatballs do.
Yeah, they're not bad on its own.
There's the really picky ones.
Dad? Come give you a rating.
I said 5. It needs a pan.
How's your meatballs? Other than making a face.
The same thing I do.
5. Apparently they don't like them.